Hey guys, some of you guys are wondering how you can download some apps on your Samsung Smart TV. It's actually pretty easy. All you gotta do is at the bottom here, take your remote and click over, and you can go through your existing apps and go all the way over to where it says apps over here. Click into it with the middle circle button. And here you're gonna see like editor's choice, which is the recommended apps that you probably need and then already downloaded ones. And then, so say you want something different on the list, you just click up and go to the top corner and search. And then, for example, do like Red Bull TV. There it is, comes up, and just click up to the top. Click that. And see if it works. Looking good. All right, and there it is. So you can go and use that for free. And then if you want to get back out of it, just click the back arrow, exit the app. Let's see. So yeah, normally it would show up on the bottom here, but it looks like it's not. It's up here. So if I click there and go up arrow, I can add it to my home screen. So that puts it down here. Now say I want to move it, I'm just going to click down arrow and then move, and then just move it around. And then like down arrow again to let it go, and then down if I want to remove it completely. But I don't, so there it is. And that's it. So if I saved your day here, just hit subscribe button. I need to hit 1,000 followers. That'd be much appreciated. Thank you.